Plants have adapted to and responded to changing environmental conditions throughout their existence. And so it's nothing new for plants to evolve mechanisms in response to changing water availability, CO2 concentrations, and temperature. This is something that plants have had to do throughout their existence in order to survive. In current times, because the increase in carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is happening so dramatically, it's not giving plants the time to respond to these changes in environmental conditions. So this has potential implications for plants growing in any sort of stressful environment, anywhere that there is aridity or high salt in the soil or high temperatures. One area of research that we're working on is trying to understand what controls photosynthetic efficiency in all plants. One aspect of that is it feasible to introduce more efficient photosynthetic properties into agriculturally important plants such as rice and wheat, for example. We have an instrument called a fluorescence imaging system that allows us to visualize, actually take pictures of the efficiency of a plant doing photosynthesis under different conditions. We're using this system to try and identify various plants that have an increased efficiency in photosynthesis, as well as help breeders identify various varieties that are less susceptible to drought or water availability. So this is not necessarily about just genetically engineering organisms. This can be done by very traditional breeding, by doing crosses, by selecting individuals within a particular population that have traits that we're interested in, and then incorporating those into agriculturally important lines. It's really been a major focus of WSU to try and develop a system where we can understand what the physiology is of a large number of plants simultaneously, so that we can really bridge this gap between what a plant is doing in response to changing environmental conditions and the genomic or the molecular mechanisms that control this. And so by bridging these two technologies really provides a unique way to understand and enhance the plant sciences that is going on not only at WSU but throughout the United States and across the world.